Hi travelers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the Wuben Night X0, as you can see there. If you're looking at it from the front, it actually looks quite similar to the Wuben G2, which I did previously review. But this one is a little bit thicker, has a few more functions, and it operates slightly differently as well. So it has a nice, very durable clip on the back here, which is actually something that I found a little bit hard to clip onto things. So if you look, it's actually very sturdy and hard to lift up that clip. So sometimes when you're trying to put it on clothes, it doesn't actually quite clip on there firmly, or you feel like you're gonna rip the clothes. It does have a magnet on the bottom here, so you can actually magnetically attach it to metal surfaces and use it like that, which is a very handy feature indeed. Now this particular lens here is the Samsung lens, so it has about 900 lumens of output, and then that drops down to about 300 lumens after a certain, I think it's about 1 minute of use. Now, one of my favorite features of this light is the design is very interesting, as you can see here. It's a very nice sort of angular design, but it's very comfortable to actually hold. The way you actually operate it is that the top flap here is actually the button that you press in to turn it on and off. To charge, you actually lift that flap up, and then you'll find the USB-C port and the actual button inside, which is what you click to turn it on and off. So you can click it inside as well. But this flap is just a way to easily click it. So one thing I found fun with this is actually that, just while you're holding it, it's very fun to kind of open and close this. So it's a little bit like a fidget toy in a way, just because it's so easy and fun to sort of click this open and shut. Now you will notice these kind of cutouts here along the sides and stuff like that. Those are actually for little illuminated tritium rods. So you can put those in there if you want to, but I obviously haven't done that, but some people do like to customize their lights by doing that. So this also does have a strobe and LED function, as you can see in the footage here. It also has the moon, which is 1 lumen, low 15 lumens, medium 50 lumens, and high, which is 250 lumens. And those all have a certain amount of run times depending on how long you're using them. So overall, I really do like this light from Wuben. It's definitely been the one that I've used for the most when I go outside with my cat to check up on things, and I've found it to be very comfortable to hold. Although when you are holding it like this, it's kind of hard to find this spot that's comfortable, because this does get hot when it's full power. So it's kind of hard to aim it, and then when the light is on, it kind of reflects your skin, so it gets a bit bright to hold it sometimes. So I think holding it from the back or the side is a better way to hold it. Or of course, if you are sliding onto a jacket or clothes, it's a good way to hold it too. Overall, I definitely recommend checking out if you're in the market for a small, lightweight, waterproof, durable little light that has a very interesting and fun sort of fidget toy built into it. So definitely go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you next time.